The Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 comes fitted with a tail rack, but this surface is quite narrow. So when you mount the luggage on this, it is more prone to being imbalanced as it is resting on a fairly small surface. Our solution for this is the ViaTerra Quick Mount Rear Rack. This purpose-built tail rack is made out of high-quality mild steel using computerized cutting and bending processes to ensure accuracy and improve structural strength. It is finished in a thick matte black powder coating which gives the tail rack a premium look and ensures that it matches well with your motorcycle too. Build quality aside, the quick mounting and removal system makes this tail rack extremely convenient to use. Instead of fumbling around trying to pass large buckles or long straps through narrow mounting points, on this tail rack you can simply slide the mounting straps into the slots. The same system can be used to remove the straps when taking your bag or gear off the bike. The ViaTerra Quick Mount Rear Rack comes with all necessary mounting hardware and can be fitted directly over the stock tail rack. All you need to do is remove the 4 existing bolts, add the provided spacers, and then place the Quick Mount Rear Rack and secure it in place using the provided stainless steel fasteners.